Tired of wasting time scrubbing through your video just to remove awkward pauses, or dead silence? What if I told you CapCut has an AI tool that can literally read your video, transcribe your voice, find every pause, filler word, and moment of silence and let you delete them with just a click? It's called the Transcript Tool, and it's like having a smart assistant sitting next to you, cleaning up your video while you sip coffee. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it and why it might be the most underrated feature inside CapCut. So let's import some footage into the media panel. Then let's add it to the timeline. So now let me show you the magic this AI tool can do. So click on the Transcript Tools. And the Transcript Tool is a Pro, so you need to buy the Pro version of CapCut before you can use this tool. Now wait for your video to be transcribed, and this AI tool will detect any pauses, filler words, and silences in your video. So this is the interface of the Transcript Tool. And this video is an already edited video, so less pauses were detected. And if you scroll through the whole transcript, you can see all the pauses has been ticked. And also if any filler words, repeats, and silences are detected, then it will also be ticked so you can delete it with ease. And also there are different tabs for pauses, repeats, and filler words. And since this is an already edited video, no repeats and filler words were detected. And here is the amazing part. You can use the transcript to edit your video. And this is referred as text-based editing, which makes you manipulate the text or edit your transcript and it will be applied to your video. So if you want to remove a part of the video, all you need to do is to select the text and it will automatically be highlighted. And when you are done, all you need to do is to click on delete and all will be removed just like that. So at first I used to remove silences, pauses, filler words, and repeat manually, which usually take hours of tedious work, until CapCut introduced this amazing tool, which lets me do all this in a matter of minutes. Isn't that amazing? And I think this is the most underrated and underused tool in CapCut, which people hardly talk about, but it's very usefully and make you edit a lot faster. So use this tool and let me know your feedback in the comment section.